Hello, my name is Thorsten Enthöfer. I'm the product manager of RFID HF at the company Turck. And today I want to introduce to you our RFID Starter Kit, which is a good tool to get experience with our HF RFID system and to play with it and get familiar with our unbeatable RFID system HF. And now I will show you what is inside in the RFID Starter Kit. We'll make an unboxing. First there is a leaflet inside, so you can see in the picture what is inside in the RFID Starter Kit. Inside is, first of all, the TBN block, where you can connect up to 2 readers, one by one, or up to 32 readers in RFID bus mode. You have here different kind of RFID heads, a CK40, M12 reader and M30 reader, standard readers or bus RFID readers, so that you can connect them in one line. You have different cord sets to connect the readers. You have a power supply and different kind of tags, as well as a USB stick where all the documentation can be found on, documentation for all the components which can be found in this RFID Starter Kit. So now I will open TAS, the Turck Automation Suite, on my PC here, and the interface block, the RFID block, is directly connected via Ethernet to this PC, and then we can see the parameter which can be used, the whole configuration of the system we will see now. And let's start and open the TAS Automation Suite. Okay, so here we see the TAS desktop. First of all, normally you have to scan your network, and all the connected interface modules can be seen as a list here on the first screen. Now we see here on the top is the RFID module. I have chosen a specific IP address, and by clicking on this IP address, I will be asked if I want to open the internal web page of the module, or if I want to open TAS. I want to open TAS here. And we'll see now some basic configuration of the network in combination with this RFID module. We see a lot of parameters here. Also network configuration, IP address can be changed, and. Also the firmware can be updated here via TAS. This is a very useful tool. So there's no need to get directly on site into the facility. You can program your devices with the latest firmware just on demand. And now we go to the RFID parameter. So I have now connected 2 RFID ports here. One is the standard configuration, so one RFID reader is connected to the port, and on the second port there is the HF bus mode. And now I will configure the channels. So we see here channel 0 and channel 1. Channel 0 is the standard configuration. First I have to log in via my password. Now we don't want to change it. And here you see the different kind of values which can be selected. We have the HF compact mode, we have the HF extended mode, and the HF bus mode. On this channel we use the HF compact mode. We write it down into the module. We have changed nothing here, so it's clear. Then we go to the channel 1. And we also have chosen here in advance the HF bus mode. And you have to select the number of readers you want to connect to the system. So we have connected 2 readers, and I have activated 2 readers here in the TAS. And now we see if we have a tag. We have different kind of tags here. We have smaller ones, very small ones in metal tags. We have bigger ones. This is an FRAM tag with up to 2 kilobytes of memory. If I place the tag in front of the reader, the tag will be automatically identified. And let's see if we can also read some information onto the tag. Let's go to the channel 0. We have here the inputs and outputs of this channel, and let's execute a command. For example, inventory. Inventory means in this case that you read out the UID, and the UID will be displaced automatically in the input buffer of the module. So, and this is just a short introduction. You can just play around with it. You can get familiar with our system. You can get familiar with the HF bus mode. And I think this is a very good entry point to see how our system is working at a very unbeatable price. So just get your own RFID Starter Kit and use it and have fun with it.